Hello, welcome to Createful Art and Art Tip Tuesday. I have a quick tip for you that's all about framing, because when we create our art, what do we want to do? We want to put it on our wall or gift it to our friends, and we want it to look nice when we do so. So you can go to the store and you can buy any frame that you actually like the frame, and then you can buy a canvas panel that will fit inside that frame. There's all different kinds of sizes of frames. There's all different kinds of sizes of canvas panels. So I like to use the 8x8 inches and the 8x10s because there's lots of frames in that size. So this is what a canvas panel looks like. So it's very thin on the sides. So what you can do is you can just pop out the glass because you don't want the acrylic to stick to the glass. So you just take it out. Just break. Once you have it out, then you can put your painting inside. This doesn't have a painting on it, so I'm gonna grab one that does. I have these beautiful paintings that I have workshops for. You can put any of these paintings that you have, that you painted along with me, in here. And ta-da, it looks beautiful and it's ready to hang on your wall. There's these wood panels, and they can sometimes fit in a frame and they can sometimes not. So let's see if this one fits in this frame. So here's the back of the frame, and what you want to make sure is that it's not going to stick out. So this one will fit in this frame, so you can get wood panels as well. So the other good thing about the wood panel is that you can paint the sides, and on the back they have a way for you to hang it up on your wall. So that makes it really simple too. So when you have a glass frame, there's always the option of painting on paper. And you can paint with acrylics on paper, and then you can just open up the back, slide your painting right in, and there you have a beautiful frame for your painting. But if you're painting on canvas, then you want to take out the glass. See, there's no glass on this. So for canvas, the acrylics stay on top, which makes it so that the acrylics will stick to the glass, whereas paper, the acrylics are absorbed into the paper and so it won't stick to your glass. Now, if you get the other canvases that have the thick sides, then I suggest painting them, and then you can just hang them up on your wall and see the beautiful side there. There you have several inexpensive and easy ways that you can hang the beautiful artwork you create with me on your wall. You can decide if you want to put it on a stand or put it on your wall, in whatever way works best for you. If you'd like to paint some with me, I have several workshops at createfulart.com. They include everything you need to paint along, including color mixing help, a traceable reference photo, full tutorial, and written instructions. I'm so happy that you're going to make some art and gift it or put it on your wall. I can't wait to share more Art Tip Tuesdays with you. Come back and learn more, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I make a new video, and I'll see you in my next video.